In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the gas cap on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Open the door, remove the old gas cap. Then you have this tether right here. You can use a trim tool, just get behind it. Just pop it out, just like that. Take the new one, push this in, lock it down. Tighten it down, close the door, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.